Hey guys, for this one, we're at this bike jump that we like to call the tabletop because there's this hill, and you jump right there. He just put his water bottle there, and he's gonna jump over that, and then you land into there. And we call it the tabletop because it sort of looks like a tabletop right there, so it's really a bridge. So he's gonna go and get full speed right there, and yes, he gets a lot of air. Here we go. I'll go right here. There's that little tiny water bottle. Here it comes. There we go. Sorry about that vibration. That was my phone getting a text or something like that. And yeah. So Jared again, and don't forget to like, add your favorites, subscribe, and leave a comment saying anything you really want, like I hug trees because it feels good. I don't know, but yeah. Bye, Jared.
Bye!
You're
in my way!
Just forget I ever did that. See ya.